In front of me is Honor 70 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Then click on Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Finally, just click on one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Now hit Edit button and change wherever you wish to. When you're done, hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!